AllVoices is an always-on employee listening tool used to ensure a culture of trust, inclusion, and transparency. AllVoices provides a new way for employees to speak up and gives leadership the ability to listen at scale, capture valuable data, track all employee relations cases, and communicate with employees through a secure communication channel. I'll go ahead and start by showing you what it looks like for an employee to submit a report, feedback, or concern. After, I'll show you the administrator dashboard where administrators can track and respond to anonymous reports, input cases received non-anonymously into the system, review analytics, and create customized surveys. AllVoices builds a custom URL. Employees come to the company name.allvoices.co, and we incorporate the company's branding here. A few additional things to note. We do have the capability to customize the tool, everything is mobile friendly, and we provide a full onboarding experience. We want to ensure employees are aware of the tool at launch, but also on an ongoing basis. When employees are ready to submit feedback, they select Send Feedback. Here's where the company is able to share why they've decided to implement AllVoices. And then here's where the employee is able to select the type of feedback that they'd like to give. We have these 7 different modules, each of them branch differently depending on which module is chosen, asking a series of follow-up questions. For the purpose of today's video, I'll go ahead and walk you all through diversity, equity, and inclusion. They select their relationship to the company. They can enter in their message here. And then we ask these follow-up questions specific to that DEI module. So what type of issue did you experience? They can choose from the categorized list. We also ask them the department that it happened in, which we capture this from your team, also giving them the option to decline to state. Same thing goes for location. And then these last 2 set of questions apply to all of those 7 modules at the beginning. The first being, what's your reasoning for using AllVoices? Secondly, we ask how they'd like to see the issue get resolved. We do have the option for employees to de-anonymize. Otherwise, it's a great reminder that we're protecting their anonymity. The last step is a 2-step verification process. We ask for their mobile number, and we remind them that the mobile number is encrypted, so it's never shared with AllVoices nor the company. They'll receive via text message a 4-digit verification code. Once they enter in that verification code, we will text the employee letting them know that the company has the report, and simultaneously we'll send an email to administrators letting them know that they have a new report within their dashboard that they need to respond to. Now let's jump into the administrator side of things. As I mentioned previously, the administrative dashboard is where administrators can track and respond to anonymous reports, input cases received non-anonymously into the system, review analytics, and create customized surveys. Let's take a look at a specific case that comes through AllVoices. First, you'll see the encrypted number at the top. Within the Report Answers tab, this is where you're able to see how that employee answered each of those questions on the employee flow. Jumping over to the Overview tab, administrators can see everyone who has visibility on the report, assign out the proper administrator, add notes, add files, and collaborate with other team members here as well. And then we can go into the messaging section. And this is where the reporter and the administrator are actually able to message back and forth. As soon as an administrator sends a message, the reporter receives a text message with a link to a messaging portal as well as a verification code. This messaging section allows you to continue the conversation past the initial report and is really where we see issues getting resolved, people coming forward, coaching happening, and trust being built. I'll also walk you through our case manager system. This is where you're able to see all of the cases, both employee submitted as well as what's being brought to your administrators directly today, whether it's received in person, on a video call, chat messages, or email. To input in a new case, you select New Case. You can add in the case name, select the type of issue, select the sub-issue, date of the issue, as well as the department and location. We do also have an HRIS integration that allows you to tag employees to these reports. Any details? And once that's submitted, On this overview tab, you can see everything that I just showed you before on that report that comes through your AllVoices system. And then you can also see on the details page how the administrator answered each of those, and actually click on employees' names as well, and see all other issues that they're associated with. The last thing I'll show you is our overview tab. This provides a high-level overview of the information coming both from the employee-submitted reports and administrator-submitted reports, enabling you to see themes or trends across the organization. For example, if you're looking at by issue type and you notice that the majority of your reports are in regards to harassment or bias, you can really easily scroll down to that subtype and see that 30% of those are specifically around unwelcome jokes or comments. You can also apply additional filters to see the data specifically for unwelcome jokes or comments, including if you wanted to drill down into departments as well as locations. And that is a full demo of our employee flow and administrative dashboard. If you have any questions for our AllVoices team, please feel free to reach out to us.